So today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple birdhouse using nothing but scratch pieces of wood in your shop. So let's get into it. Some tools and material you might need: a drill, wood screws, tape measure, 1 1/8 drill boring bit, scrap wood, and some glue. So I want this to be a very small birdhouse because I only have chickadees and hummingbirds and the occasional blue jay coming in, but I don't want them to be moving in. So I'm only going to be making it about 7 inches long by 8 inches high. So I quickly got all my pieces cut, and yes, that little kickback did hurt. That's why you always gotta watch what you're doing on the table saws. Alright, now let's put these together, glue them up, knock out the hole, which luckily for me, this piece already had one that was almost dead center. So, woohoo! And there you have it. Simple, easy little birdhouse to make with scrap wood. Minimal effort, not really much to think about. But if you're bored one day and thinking about doing something or making something, birdhouse. There you go.